In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Google Classroom in our step-by-step 2025 guide. Whether you're a student navigating online learning for the first time or someone looking to refresh your memory, this guide will lay out everything you need to smoothly access Google Classroom. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Classroom. You can do this by typing classroom.google.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the login screen. It's a straightforward process, but let's make sure you're all set to log in smoothly. Now, for the login process, you'll need your Google account credentials. This could be your school email or a personal Gmail account that's equipped for educational use. Enter your email address and proceed by clicking the Next button. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you type it in correctly. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check for any capitals or special characters. Once you've entered your password, click on Next again. You should now be logged into Google Classroom, where you'll see a dashboard that displays all the classes you're currently part of or have been invited to join. If you're new to Google Classroom, your dashboard might be empty, and that's completely okay. We're going to change that by joining your class. To join a class, you will need the class code, which should have been provided by your teacher. This code is essential, so ensure you have it handy. Once you've got the code, look towards the top right corner of the Google Classroom dashboard. You'll notice a plus sign, typically accompanied by Join Class when you hover over it. Go ahead and click this icon. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter your class code. Carefully type in the code provided by your teacher. It's usually a mix of letters and numbers, so take your time to avoid any mistakes. Once you've input the code, click the Join button. And there you have it. You've successfully joined your class on Google Classroom. Now all the class materials, updates, and assignments will start populating in your dashboard, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Be sure to regularly check your Google Classroom for any updates or new assignments from your teacher. Thank you for watching this guide on how to enter Google Classroom. I hope you found it helpful, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. Good luck with your studies, and happy learning!